Hello, thanks for making out time to watch this video. I'm confident you will learn one or two things as you watch till the end. This video is all about 7 psychological signs that she likes you. Sometimes we fall in love instantly when we meet a girl and everyone around you notices. But what you really want to know is what the girl feels about you. Sometimes you miss an opportunity to confess your feelings and later regret of not walking up to her and telling her how you feel. You may be scared that she doesn't love you back. Hence, you feel reluctant to approach her. What if she likes you? How on earth would you know? We all know that women naturally feel reluctant and shy expressing their feelings to a guy they like. Hence, they hardly walk up to a guy to express their feelings. However, there are several signs you should watch out for, as body language plays a lot in telling if she likes you or not. So, keep on reading to find out how to know she likes you. Here are 7 psychological signs that she likes you, so you can make your move. 1. Friends know it much before you do. Friends keep linking you to the girl you like because they know it much before you do. The connection, your feelings, everything. It's easier for friends to know when 2 people are attracted to each other. If she is secretly giggling when her friends tease her about you, she might be genuinely interested. 2. She takes the seat next to you. According to psychology, when a girl is attracted to you, she will seat next to you. Whether it is your class, college canteen, or friends' outings, she will take a seat next to you. 3. You make her blush. You don't need enough effort to make her blush. Every time you look at her, she goes red. 4. She wants to know your type of girls. If she is linking you with others, then she definitely wants to know your type of girls. She teases you about other girls because she is trying to convince herself that she's not into you. 5. She is very much interested in your personal life. Every time you have conversation with her, she is very much interested in your personal life. She asks about your past relationships, and she is curious enough to know about you. 6. Eye contact. She maintains eye contact with you. Every time you talk to her, there is hidden message in her eyes that is quite easy to catch if you pay enough attention. 7. She is comfortable and open with you. She is very comfortable opening up to you about the many problems in her life. She doesn't try to hide her problems. Even when she is pissed off, she trusts you more than any of her best friends. And that's a clear sign. Is she displaying any of the listed signs? Does any of the above signs show up? If yes, then you get it. Now, you have known the signs that she likes you. What are you waiting for, boy? Be a man. Take the bulls by the horn. Approach her now and express how you feel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, drop your comments, and visit the link below.